Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Swati Singla and welcome to my channel. Guys, I have came across with a very wonderful and amazing job opportunity which I thought why not to share it with you. So I'm here with this amazing opportunity. Why this is amazing? Because if you have taken a full-time break from your job, from your full-time job, or you have discontinue your full-time job because of your household responsibilities, or maybe even because of kids, so this job is best for you. Further, if you want to do something on your own, this is a great chance for you. You can easily apply here. So let me give you a brief about this job opportunity. So the platform which I'm talking about is Hello Learner. Hello Learner. I'm sure you all must have heard about it. Basically, this platform is come from Hello English. They also have an app on Google Play Store. You can always check it out there. So if I talk about the requirements, they need a bachelor degree or maybe even higher than that. Secondly, they need a teaching certification. If you have taught somewhere in school or even in the coaching center, or you have mentored someone, or you have any other experience in teaching, then you can provide that certificate here. Along with that, your communication skills should be good. There are two things which I like most about this job. Number one is they provide you a teaching training, which will help you to enhance your teaching skills, which will be beneficial for you when you are inside the Hello Learner, or even at the later stage when you are outside the Hello Learner, right? The second thing is you can work according to your convenience, like if you want it full time, if you want it part time, or even if you want it on contract. So they have three platforms here, like full time, part time, and even on contract. The contract would be for 4 months. So now if I talk about experience, they need an experience of 1 year in teaching field. Language, again, they need English language. Work remotely, you have work from home. And now comes the salary part. They are offering their salary in within the bracket of 19,500 to 50,000 per month, based on your caliber or based on your type of job, type of job platform you have chosen. Like if you are taking full time job, then the salary is different. Then if you are taking part time, then salary is different. And again, if you are taking contractual job, then the salary package is different, right? This is understandable. And the most important thing is this job is for females only. They have other platforms as well, they have other job openings as well, but this particular platform, this particular job opening is for female only, right? This is all about this job opening. You can check it from here, and I'll provide you the link in the description box to apply. I got this job offer yesterday itself. Maybe they have 5 or 6 more days to apply. So it's better to apply soon, right? Yes, you can always do your own research as well. So, okay, that is it from my side. If you have any other questions or queries, you can always leave a comment in the comment box. I'll see you again very soon. Till then, namaste.